Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to lock apps on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of app lock. Just tap on it, then enable the toggle for app lock. From here, just tap on settings. Now just create a privacy password for your app lock. Then select use. Now just enter your password one more time to confirm your password. From here, you can link your privacy password to your Oppo account, or you can tap on Not Now. Now from here, just link your privacy password to an account or to a recovery email or to a question in case if you forget your privacy password. For now, I will select recovery email. Now in this section, just enter your recovery email. After you enter your email, then tap on confirm. After you enable the app lock, now just enable the toggle for the apps which you want to lock. Just like that. And once you enable the toggle for the apps which you want to lock, you will lock the apps on your smartphone. Just like that. Now, if you do not have the app lock feature on your Oppo phone, there is also another method. For the second method, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Now, in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. And from here, just tap on Get Started. Now, just create a 6-digit PIN for your app lock. After you create your PIN, then tap on Create. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. After you confirm your PIN, then tap on Save. From here, just tap on Understood, then tap on Let's Do It. On this list, just select App Lock Pro and enable this toggle. After that, just tap on Permit and Continue and select Allow. Then tap on Permit and Continue and enable this toggle. Now after you do that, under the Unlocked section, just tap on the lock icon in front of the app which you want to lock. Just like that. As you can see, as I tap the lock icon in front of the apps will go to the locked section. And in the locked section, you can find all the apps which you have locked. Now, if we go to the home screen and open any app which we have locked, as you can see, it is asking us to enter the PIN which we have set. Just like that. And this is how you can lock apps on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.